Welcome to the part 2 of our pizza dough video. The part 1 was our bacon and cheese pizza. Join me as we make Stromboli. Stromboli is basically a pizza rolled into a log. The basics are starting with either a bread dough or a pizza dough and stuffing it with sauce, cheese, and meat. For our Stromboli today, we're using a pizza dough. And here is the list of ingredients. Let's start off by adding our dry ingredients into our mixing bowl. 2.5 cups of flour, active dry yeast, sugar, and salt. And give it a quick mix. Now let's add in our wet ingredients. 1 tablespoon of oil. For our warm water, we'll add in our first half a cup and start kneading. After 2 minutes, add in the remaining half a cup and continue kneading. When I'm done kneading, I usually add a tablespoon of olive oil onto my dough. I gently rub the dough with oil as this helps prevent getting a dry and any unwanted cracks as it starts to rise during the proofing stage. Slightly oil the sides of your bowl as well so the dough does not stick in it. Cover your bowl with a cling wrap and proof your dough for an hour or until it doubles in size. If you watch my other video on bacon cheese pizza, this is the part where I divide the dough into 2 portions. I used a weighing scale so I get equal sizes of the dough. When you're done dividing your dough, we are now ready to assemble our Stromboli. Slightly flour the work surface so that the dough doesn't stick to the mat. Using the rolling pin, gently press the dough, making it into a rectangular shape. If you have a wax or parchment paper, I suggest you place it underneath your dough before pressing it, as this makes the transfer of the dough to your baking sheet a lot easier. When our dough is ready, we'll add our sauce. You may use any other sauce that you prefer for this recipe. Spread out your sauce on the dough and make sure to leave some gap or space from the edges. Then, sprinkle your cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese and Sulguni for today. For my first cheese layer, I'm adding in my mozzarella cheese. And for the meat, I'll be using ham. Layer the ham for your Stromboli. Then I'm adding in Sulguni cheese. I like adding in 2 kinds of cheese for my Stromboli. Once you're done adding all the layers of your ingredients, we're now ready to roll our dough. Gently and slowly roll the dough towards the center. You want your log to be tight and compact, but careful not to push the fillings out. When you get to the end, take the other edge and fold it up. Slightly pinch it to seal the dough. Gently brush milk onto the dough. Brushing with milk onto your dough will help color the crust. The sugars in the milk help get that beautiful brown color after you're done baking. Sprinkle some parmesan cheese dried parsley, and toasted sesame seeds onto your dough before baking. And finally, using a sharp knife, cut slits on top to create some vents and allowing air from the log to escape. Now, we're ready to bake our stromboli in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And here is our ham and cheese stromboli. I hope you enjoyed our two-part video for bacon cheese pizza and ham and cheese stromboli. Please watch out for my next pizza dough episode because we will be cooking calzone and pinwheel. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Until next time, bye!